Okay, if I remember right, this will take us back up on the knob, more along the places where I used to hang out. Then again, I could be wrong. Man, it's been so long since I've been out in here. Well, I started thinking I was wrong again because it just doesn't look familiar, but it's sort of starting to now. It's crazy that, I mean, I practically lived in these woods and just gone for over 20 years, and I just totally can't remember. Well, made it to Little Stoney Falls, at least the trailhead. I can't remember how far it is down there. So I'm going to try to secure my gear. And here's how I do it. I got this cable and I loop it around all my gear and fasten it to the bike. And my helmet will be fastened with this one. Somebody can still steal it, but they'd have to work at it a little bit. So maybe just discourage them. So give me a few minutes to secure this and we'll go on a little hike. Alright, secured my gear somewhat. Just fingers crossed it. Nobody takes it. Oh, wait, make sure I got my keys. Yeah. Like I said, I can't remember how far this trail is, but to the falls, but hopefully it ain't too far because we're gonna run out of daylight again. But if you stayed on this trail, they would end up going all the way back down there to Hanging Rock, to that Devil's Backbone that I showed you. Walk back to the bottom. Hello, how are you all?
Good, how you doing?
Doing alright. Hello. I think the sun's messing it up, isn't it? the shade. Trying to block the sun. I can't even tell you the number of times we came down here swimming, so yeah. So, it wasn't bad. Get back up to the bike before it gets stolen, and we're on out. I am smack dab burning up. That's twice, like an idiot. I walked off on these trails wearing this Gore-Tex suit. Next time I'm going to take it off and tie it to the bike. Whew. All right, I guess I better mount up and let's hit the road, see where we go. Talk to you in a bit. I don't remember this kind of traffic in here. I'm not sure I'm on the right road again. Well, I stayed on that road for about 5 miles and I came to an intersection of Osborne Ridge and Edith Gap. And if I remember right, that puts me way out of the direction I wanted to go. So obviously I don't remember much worth of crap, but I turn around and I think this is the Pine Camp Road. If it is, I'll take it and come out of the mountain. And I can't go fast on this slick gravel road. It's just like pea gravel sliding around everywhere. But what a day it's been. A little bit of blast from the past and just good country dirt roads. Can't beat it. Oh no. There's Bark Camp Lake and it's closed. That's where I was going to camp out later. That changes everything. Alright, I'll get off this mountain and then get something to eat and come up with a plan. We're in Tacoma, and I just had a flashback of when I was in school. I got in trouble quite a bit when I was in school, but for whatever reason, one of the nicest teachers that we had, somebody had the bright idea to sneak up and egg her house, and she lives here in Tacoma. I can't remember where it's at, but Miss Peters, I'm sorry, we shouldn't have done it. Which we got caught and had to clean it, you know, but anyway, just a flashback. Okay, since my plans got wrecked that I can't go to Bart Camp, I'm going to go to, I'll try one of the recreation areas, one of the just regular campgrounds. And then if they're not open to camp, then hey, sorry hunters, I'm just going to pick a road and go camp on it. I'm going to be pushing it anyway for dark again. I got it. So far it's looking like we're going to be dark. Maybe by just a little bit. If this place isn't closed up too. Crap. Man. Now what am I going to do? Well, right. Crap. No luck at all. I don't understand why they got everything closed down. Especially during hunting season. Hunters camp. So I can either push on and find some little dirt road to take off the side and hope I don't run into hunters. Or I can head back to Flag Rock where we started this morning. It looked like they were open, you know, so I think we'll do that. Definitely running out of time, so talk to you in a little bit. I'm going to shut this off so I can scoot on pretty good. Okay. I tried to be nice and stay in a campground, but they got everything closed. So I left Flag Rock. They closed tonight for camping, and it's getting dark, so I just came up the highway and pulled in this little forest road. It's closed, but there's a lot of tire tracks here, so I'm assuming somebody's coming here to take off hunting. I don't like the idea of me laying here in my tent while somebody parks their truck in front of my bike and walks by me into the woods hunting. But I just run out of time and didn't have any choice, so threw my tent up right quick. I'm not even going to stake it out. Just give me a little shelter for the night, and then hopefully I can get up in the morning before anybody gets here and break camp and take off. So, but oh my Lord, what a day. I mean, seriously, what a day. It's like it every day is good, you know. I rode all through these mountains, all through the knobs, places I hadn't seen in over 20 years. Got lost several times, but had a blast doing it. About wrecked multiple times. Zero complaints. This is the life right here, man. This is the life. I can't wait for the next trip, for the next adventure. So I'll get up tomorrow, break camp, and then I think we'll take a tour into the coal fields. Let you guys see what the real Appalachians are like, the people of the Appalachians, and I think it'll be an eye-opener for you. So that will be our next adventure. So see you later. Oh, by the way, like and subscribe to my channel. They suck now, but they're going to get better. Trust me, they'll get better. It's all I'm going to do. So I have to get better, right? All right, one last scan for bears. No bears. You're not supposed to eat in your camp because of bears smelling the food, but I got a quarter pounder of cheese sitting on this bike that I'm getting ready to tear into. So anyway, it's been fun, been a blast. Till our next adventure. Later.